What's up people, welcome to another video of the Kitchen Diaries. Today we are going to talk about the best extra large dish racks for your kitchen. I did research by myself and selected the good quality products only. To let you know that links for checking the price of the products is in the description. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First one is Professional Dish Rack by Premium Racks. This extra large dish rack is what every one of you need because it's sleek in design and strong in build. Talking about the features, this dish rack is fully customizable with 2 different style drain boards, a microfiber mat, separate knife storage, 3 separate cup holder attachments and a cutting board attachment that can be placed wherever you want. In terms of build quality, this dish rack is made of a high-quality 304 stainless steel which ensures durability and prevents from corrosion and rust. Company also claims that product passed a 24-hour salt test spray. This extra-large dish rack is designed in a way that it can hold most of the utensils. So, you don't have to worry about space. It fits in every kitchen and it provides enough value and is worth the money. Next one is the Simple Human Steel Frame Dish Rack. This dish rack is a high-quality product and is costly in the list. Talking about the features of this extra-large dish rack, it has an integrated drip tray with swivel spout which keeps water flowing directly into the sink, not onto the countertop. There is extendable drip tray, utensil holder and this dish rack can hold up to 4 wine glasses. In terms of the build, this dish rack is built with high-quality materials. There is hydrophilic coating on the plastic tray that causes water to bead and spread so that it dries more quickly. High-quality stainless steel ensures durability and prevents from rust. If you need high-quality extra-large dish rack which last for years, this is the one. Next one in the list is KitchenAid FullSize Dish Rack. KitchenAid is a well-known name in kitchen products and they make quality products. This one features removable flatware caddy which will keep your flatware, cutlery and utensils organized while drying, a large capacity rack, stainless steel sides and drain board which directs water into the sink. Talking about the build and design, this dish rack has satin-coated wires which are rust-resistant and ensure that this dish rack will be rust-free. There are soft feet that keep dish rack from scratching countertops. This dish rack also features an extra tall and wide slot for drying extra large frying pans or cutting board. If you are using KitchenAid products then you won't hesitate buying this one. Last one in the list is Premium Racks Professional Over-the-Sink Dish Rack. This dish rack is different than the previous ones as it's over the sink and large in size. It's a fully customizable with 3 separate side attachments and a top shelf. This dish rack can be used for utensils, knives, plates, bowls, soap, sponges, cutting boards etc. In terms of build quality and design, it's made of nano-coated steel which prevents it from rust or corrosion. Company claims it passed a 24-hour salt test spray and also claims it can support over 150 pounds of weight. As it's big in size, you have to make sure that you have enough space over the sink for this dish rack to fit well. If this is the dish rack you are looking for, go check it out in the link in the description below. That's it for this video. I hope you loved the video. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Bye.